Hello everyone, this is AT from ForexPreparation.com. Today is Friday, the 14th of December 2007, and we will be looking at Euro-dollar currency pair. What has happened on the markets today is a little bit of selling pressure, and actually it was quite big selling pressure since this pair has dropped around 150 pips, or its range for the day from the highest to the lowest point was around 150 pips. So what was the reason for this to happen? First of all, if you let me zoom this part here, you can see that we have a break of an important trend line, which was at the same time a part of a trading channel, or this channel here in which our currency is trading. And as you can see, this part of the chart here at 1.4690 was our breakout point, and if we had some positions opened to the upside, as I was telling you, if we see a break above these highs here of 1.4730, which were actually just touched, and they were broken for 1 hour, and then the action took to the downside. The sellers took the action to the downside immediately after that, and we saw this dramatic fall to the downside. So if you were reasonable enough, if you saw this red candle appearing after the green candle, or the sellers taking control of the action to the downside, then you should have waited until a break of this support level of 1.4704. so this was our this should have been your primary support level, and when you saw this break, you should be waiting for this break of this lower trend line of this channel in which the currency was trading. And then when we saw this breakout right here appearing on this bar, then you saw this little retracement to retest the lower boundary of our channel, and then you can see how large was this fall. And again, I suppose this should be the initiation of a downtrend which has started several days ago. When we go to the daily chart, actually it started around this place here, when we saw this hammer, or if I zoom in this part here, this is this particular candle here, the long shadowed one, and at the same time we saw a divergence between the relative strength indicator and the chart, which was right here. Okay, so at the same time we had this break of support level, all this stuff we talked about, and then I was mentioning about this potential channel in which this currency pair might have been starting to trade within, and we have just touched the upper boundary yesterday, and that was one of the triggers for this selling pressure today, actually yesterday. Okay, so now the relative strength indicator is again in the below 50 area, which is another bearish signal. If you go to 8 hours chart, you can see the same thing happening here. It's starting to curve down, and it has broken, this red candle has broken on the relative strength indicator the 50 level, which is a bearish sign. And what you should be waiting for right now is probably a nice formation which should lead again to the currency traders selling this pair. So again, right now it's the trading is very quiet, and in the beginning of the last trading day, you should be very careful. So the first thing that I should mention here is you need to see a definite break below this level of 1.4587, which is our first support level, or the lowest point of yesterday. And probably what we will see today is some kind of a continuation pattern, which might turn into probably a some kind of rectangle or a flag pattern, and probably it is going to reach for this resistance area, this resistance level of 1.4670. When it touches this potential resistance area, a good it will be a good place to enter the market selling this currency pair, and then putting a tight stop on 1.4708 or 4710, let's say. Let it be an even number. So if you sell your currency pair at 1.4670 and you place a stop loss order at 1.4710, then you should be risking just 40 pips. But then the potential for this currency pair to the downside is pretty large, since if you go to the daily chart, you can see that this might be that the currency pair might be just topping up. It is very difficult to predict, almost impossible, such tops, and not everybody. I mean, you just don't have to be trying to predict such things. But what I see from the other charts is that the other time scales, I mean the 8 hours and 1 hour charts, are both giving us negative signals, and that is inspiring me to sell this currency pair if, again, as I said, we see some kind of a continuation pattern forming here, and we have a touch, the currency pair touches this resistance area of 1.4670 and then starts to curve down. Okay, so pretty much that's what we can say for today about the Euro-dollar, and I hope you have a good trading day. So see you next week. Thank you. Bye.